Let me look. Oh yeah, you are still looking super cute with your mouth to the side.
Chewing my lip or something.
Wow, it's weird. You're the one frozen, not me.
Yeah. All right, and we're live. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing today, Dave?
Whew. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Got this strange dog running around out here. He's very cute and fluffy. Dave, are you there?
Yeah, I'm actually black on this stream.
All right. Did you
Blacked out.
was gonna say, do you have a some sort of weird internet issues, like your neighbors being jerks and
I'm gonna have to set
not
it to
allowing
low
them to repair it?
definition. That might work. Let's see if this will see if this helps. I'm gonna actually remove and add myself back. See if that helps. Yeah, it's literally a black box on the screen.
All right. Well, there are worse issues you could have. All right. So, what do we got today?
Do we have news today?
I'm not showing anything.
I'm showing the 13th there.
So, a little bit in the news today, in the Dow Jones today. U.S. stock market live update. Stock futures slip as Iran targets energy infrastructure. Oil extends gains. All right. That's not a shocker. U.S. ADP private payrolls added 9,000 jobs per week on 4-week moving average in the latest week. And private payrolls added average 14,750 jobs per week in previous week, ended February 21st, revised from 15,500 preliminary report. So nothing important other than the Iran issues.
Seems that way.
Good morning, Johan.
Hey, Johan. I gotta set all my quality levels to really low here. See if that helps. And we're ripping here out of the gate, guys and gals.
Dow was up a couple hundred points. No, 140 points. And it's looking like it's going to keep going up.
Where are you, Dave? Johan, I'm I have to tether off of my phone, so my video might not be working today.
Yeah. And then what happened, Dave?
Be like, what the F?
Yeah, you keep cutting out. Might be time for you to go pick up yourself one of them there handy dandy Starlinks.
Oh my god. So my mic isn't working either now?
No, it's working now. I can hear you, but we're also on the same platform, so I don't know if to everyone else it look like I'm just talking to myself like a psycho.
Johan, can you hear me in the chat there, or like by voice? Microphone check.
Like check 1, 2.
Oh, I do hear me on the. Okay, you can at least hear my voice. You just can't see me.
Oh, well, most people would rather it be me that's the blacked out one. You're a lot prettier than I am.
I don't know if I'd go that far.
I mean, it's just the word on the street.
The word on the
People-
street.
Word on the street. People keep telling me that.
I did take a long pre-market. I closed the trade already, but man, I should have held that thing.
Woulda, shoulda, coulda.
I know, but I did lock in some profit, so it's all good. I'm keeping it super tight here because I don't want to freaking get locked out while I'm in the middle of a trade.
Oh yeah, make sure you have your stop losses set up automatically. She's
Yeah, that's a good point.
So today I am trading the big contracts. And if anyone did not remember, it is changeover day. So you should be on the June contracts for everything. It is for ES, NQ, and YM. It is the M contract. ES is getting a little bit of a pullback right now. But it's not really a whole lot to speak of. Dave went silent, so I'll try and entertain you. I'm gonna open up okay, for some reason my book map is acting funny. Yes, I'm 6. Subscribe. Yeah. Dave, are you still there? Where have you gone? Got these nope, Dave is gone. He disappeared. Oh well. I'm gonna sit here and talk to myself like a psycho and wait for Dave to show back up. I am going to share my screen as soon as I figure out how to not show my account number on here, because this is a cash account and that's just perfect. I can just move it down. There we go. So we got the high a day that we're just making new ones. London high is slightly below current price. Value area high is down below us underneath VWAP. Why do I have so many damn indicators on here? There we go. Value area low is at 67.43 on ES. And we got 5 minutes until the opening range is set, so we'll just be a little bit patient. Hey, Darren, how you doing this morning? Getting a little pullback on ES. ES has got 125 orders up at 68, 68.18, 65 at 68.20. There's a few orders below us, but it's so far it's looking pretty bullish. Not really thinking it's going to come down for a little bit. So execution labels on there. Okay. I have 3 minutes before I really want to take a trade here. Don't know of any news coming on, so. Oh, I think I hear Dave. I heard a little bloop. Is Dave coming in? Here's that pullback on ES that I was not wanting to take a long into. See if it comes back to VWAP.
Hello.
Hey, Dave, welcome back.
Can you guys see me?
Well, I can see you. So
I don't know what happened there. I got dropped from the internet.
Who
So
knows?
internet dropped me.
Johan's up $100 on gold. Yeah, if you need to strip down your computer to save your data for trading, I put up my my screen.
Okay, yeah.
So you don't need to share that. Is there anything else you want pulled up? Because I'm pretty solid with the interwebs here.
I mean, it's nice if they can see Bookmap, but I wouldn't worry too much about it for now. Like, it's okay. Oh, you can see me now, Johan? Okay, nice.
Yeah, you're just freezing up.
Okay. So did you mention my issues to everybody?
Oh, yeah, a little bit. Dave's just having internet issues. His neighbors are being dicks and not letting the internet company come and repair their stuff.
Yeah. It was supposed to be fixed on Monday. The people showed up to fix it, and the owner of that property was like, "This is private property. Get off my property." And it's like, bro, like we got like on my title, there's a right of way, so the 20 feet of the edge of their property, when the original owner subdivided the property.
And Dave cut out again. So if that's in the title, bring that to the city. Can you hear me, Dave?
Yes.
Okay. If that's in your title, bring it to the city and actually have I don't know what they call them in the States, the plano, the where it shows an easement.
Mm-hmm.
And when just be there when the internet people come. Your neighbors give you any shit, bury them where they lie.
Yeah. So I gave all the documentation to TELUS, and their management team is looking at it because technically they have a right to go on and service and do all this stuff. They have some like sort of documentation that they can use. But yeah, I was thinking about heading down there and going to talk to them about this because be like, bro, like I need the internet for my work.
Yeah. If you don't have the internet, you can't make money. If you can't make money, you can't support me in my lavish lifestyle. Just saying.
NQ's just really popping there. Jeez.
ES is continuing to go up too. Opening range is set. We are above the opening range right now, and it looks like there's still a bunch of buying pressure directly above us. The orders that were at 68.10 just got eaten up. So yeah, this may be one of those grind up all day days. Still going to try and wait for a pullback, but what did you say?
No news Tuesday.
I like a no news day. I like a no news day where the copper colored con man doesn't say anything. That always makes me happy. Dave, you're still frozen.
Oh no. Damn.
Darren is going to long if we get back to New York VWAP. Maybe a back test and go. I'm with you on that one, Darren.
Well, hey, the coffee pot still works.
NQ good. I am in for a while. All right, Johan. Your coffee pot's still right. Well, that's not connected to the internet. So, and if it is, I want to know what kind of weird ass coffee pot you got. I don't want one, but I want to know so I can avoid it. I don't need the whole world knowing how much coffee I actually drink in a day. Man.
So I got my my 150K Top Step X trading combine. I'm up 5,225. So I need to get to 9K to pass that one.
You'll do that in a couple days. You said it's 150K?
For a little less than 4,000 into that account. And looking at my performance stats, I have no red days on this one so far. So
nice. That's impressive.
That's scary. It's scary.
Not scary. That's impressive. I like that. So, Johan, I've already reached my goal for the day. I'll be an adult and just support you.
Nice. Good job, Johan.
Yeah, if you reached your goal by 9:50, do something fun. That's just a good day.
Make sure you lock those accounts. Then make that
Yeah.
way you're guaranteed to be an adult.
Lock them out for 23 hours and
Feel good.
enjoy the rest of your day, knowing that you are a winner for the day. All right, here's a little pullback on ES. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some coffee. I'll be back.
Sounds good. So, am I still frozen on the screen there, guys, or black? Yes. Okay. Kaylin, good morning. Are you Kaylin, did you get your internet fixed? Have some issues here with the internet, and I'm tethered to my phone. And meanwhile, the company, oh, you heard? Yeah. Company came to fix my internet. And then the neighbor basically said, "Oh, it's private property. Get off my property." But meanwhile, I have all the documentation that says that, since 1979, we've had a right of way through their property, and that we have, the right to have, electrical and telecommunications that go through their property. So they have no right to stop us. But hey, TELUS can't really do anything right away. So they need to now they got to talk to their manager. And I supplied all the documents. I supplied them the title. I supplied them the easement agreement. I supplied them the subdivision paperwork so that they can see exactly where everything is. Here's what's going on. Hopefully they'll be somewhat reasonable and allow this to happen, because I need internet for not only for trading but for my real estate work, right? And I just can't, we can't run off our phone forever, because streaming, I did some research. Streaming does 1 to 6 gigabytes per hour, depending on what the setting is. So, you can imagine your phone data is going to be deleted in 10 minutes of streaming. Probably can get a couple days in here before it's toast.
Your internet woes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, or I gotta pay for a bunch of extra data, one or the other.
So there are a bunch of algos trying to pull the price up to 68.12 on ES right now.
Oh yeah.
You see all those orders up there on the book map?
Oh, you know what? I have to update my book map contract.
This is my small account. Shit. Okay, 2 small cash accounts. I'm not doing the big one today. to see what this candle decides to do.
I'm just trying to get all my bookmap contracts to the right one here. YMM6. Here we go. Oh yeah, wow, lots of contracts up at 68.12 there. 300.
Leave these here for a little while.
So Kaylin said, "Damn, that's rough." Yeah, we got through the storm we had. I had solar batteries and solar panels, so my house was fine. Had to trade on a laptop connected to my phone for 2 days, though. Still a lot of people here with no power. Oh, wow. Why does my Tradeovate and TradingView prices not match up? Oh, you need to update your contracts on your TradingView. So your Tradeovate would have changed to the M contract from the H contract. So now you got to go in and switch all your
Switch all your contracts to M is what he was saying, but he just cut out. So when you're doing that, also make sure that your TradingView account is up to date. I had an issue maybe a month or two ago where my coming down on me. I had an issue a couple of months ago where my account, because I pay it yearly, and my credit card changed expiration date. I had an issue to where my TradingView didn't update, so it was on a 15-minute delay. That was no bueno. All right. This candle hit VWAP, came back up. I'm just going to hold this position for a while and see what it does. How do you update? Go to right here. Click on that and change it to whatever you're trading with an M on the end of it, and then 2026.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Now I can hear you. You're still frozen in time?
Yeah. Are you in a short right now?
No, I'm in a long right now.
Okay. I see a TP. I feel like it's going to be hard for me to go to the neighbors and not get mad, though. I'm going to have to try to really have some deep breathing sessions before I go talk to them.
Do a little bit of that meditation stuff and
right.
and be prepared.
Liking your hairdo there, Nick.
Yeah. Getting old, your hair just starts falling out. And I'm not doing hair plugs, so I just shave my damn head and call it a day. All that money that I'm going to shave on expensive shampoos and conditioners.
It's an arm and a leg.
Is that what that stuff is made of? No, I got some of that Illuminati level shampoo from Beyonce.
Ooh.
It's made with the tears of young children and ground angel wings.
Ooh, Beyonce.
Yeah, we're tight like that. We're not, but and I'm out. Take my $125 loss on that one. And now I wait. Get everything cut out here. Yes. Well, the trend is up since yesterday. It can't go up forever, though, right? Stairs up, elevator down. Did I have another haircut? I had a couple of them cut. I only got a couple left, so I might as well sweep those up off the floor as well. Being 50 years old with male pattern baldness, that's always fun. Now the price is coming back up. Let's get rid of, let's see something on the 1 minute.
Are you there, Nick?
I am. Are you?
I see. I don't know if it's my problem or your problem, but now you're black. Your screen's black.
Can you,
And
really?
yeah, and I'm in a losing trade here. I got kicked out in a long, and I have no stop in the place. So I'm like, oh my god, get me back in. I'm trying to find a better place to put my phone because it seems like my connection wasn't great where it was sitting, so I moved it. Looks like I'm back in the money though. Let's close this
Hey,
bad boy here. Get going. Go, go, go. A little more. Help me out here, bro.
it's
Pop
coming
it up.
back up toward VWAP right now. So let's
Well, I got to stop in there. I was literally working on putting in a stop, and then it just disconnected me.
all those orders up at 68.15
Gone
just disappeared. They completely gone off the book.
right as we're started pulling back here too on this candle.
Uh-huh. Yeah, as soon as they came off the book, that candle turned red.
So they started putting those orders in right away, activating them, market orders or something. Damn it. Didn't get my chance to close the trade there. I'm only down $30 here at the moment, so never know. Might get a bounce here still. Come on, where the buyers at? They're trying hard to push us up here.
They're trying, but not doing a whole hell of a lot right now. They did it back here. They did it here. And then now it's just slowly collapsing like a flan in a cupboard.
Come on, just a couple more points here. Come on, boys. Let's go.
I don't know. You got VWAP over you and orders coming on underneath.
Yeah, I'm just trying to cut it.
Are you in the red?
Yeah, a little bit. $40.
Remember, a little bit of red is better than a lot of bit of red. And it looks like it's going to push down here. But this is not financial advice, and I'm kind of a dumbass. I just lost $125, so, you know, hey, what do I know? Obviously nothing. It's coming back up towards VWAP.
Well, that's what they want us to think anyways. That we don't know what we're doing.
Pretty sure of it. $6,800 looks like a resistance level.
Yeah, I only have a 2-bar connection here with myself.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah. Darren said, you had a shave too, looking good. Getting compliments left, right, and center today, eh? I like it.
Giving the trade to the end of this 15-minute candle from Darren.
Back on low definition.
Yeah, this is looking pretty, it looks like it may be a range bound day. I was hoping it would just grind up, but
It was looking like that.
all right, let's take a poll. Who thinks it's going to hit London high? Dave is gone again.
Did I disappear again?
You didn't disappear. Your sound just disappeared.
Sheesh. What the heck? Well, I'm in a ES short now. Little bit locked in profit here.
So here's midnight price. It got no, it did not get hit.
I covered half of my position. I had 4 contracts. I'm up. If I close it now, I'm only down $15 on the day. See if we can get a little more push here. Gonna try to leave one runner if I can.
Oh, is it going to hit that London high? Yeah. Look at that.
Nice. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Trailing this guy pretty tight now after that bit of free money they just gave us there on that sweep. Got my stop at 67.93. Maybe we're going to get to 67.85. I took it out there. I got stopped on a pullback in the profit.
Take it. I just put my take profit at midnight price because why not?
Yeah, smart trade.
Stop loss is just above VWAP.
So I recovered the $75 loss from the first trade. Pretty scared to trade right now, though, to be honest, because I'm going to get caught with this bad internet.
Maybe you should just do the commentary.
Yeah. Okay, talk to me, chat. Let's see. Darren lost a whole $2 on his long attempt. Hey, nice risk management.
Yeah, I mean that you can't do any better than that with risk management. You lost $2. If you're trading a prop account, you can lose 2,000 trades before you blow an account. That's pretty impressive.
So I took my mom to the airport last night. She's going to Portugal for a little over 2 months.
She gonna meet her mail order husband first?
No, my sister and her husband bought an apartment there.
Oh, nice.
So they're all going there to hang out for a couple months, and then yeah, up 350 on 3 accounts. Just made 250 across 3 accounts, and I have 1 runner going. Nice job, Kaylin. Kaylin's been doing really good here, grinding those accounts. He got a bunch of top 1 futures accounts.
Nice.
Grinding those bad boys up.
I love it when people are doing well on the stream. It makes me very happy.
Very nice, sir. Wishing I held that short now. How's yours? It's looking really good, eh?
I'm up $60.
Nice. On 3 micros. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's not bad. I'm gonna leave leave this run for a little while, though. There's a lot of orders up underneath us. And honestly, I don't really feel like getting out of it. I'm doing the lazy trading today.
So at the bottom of your screen, I see a 3 with a negative 997. What is that?
Did
Is that a
997.
take profit or something?
Yeah, that's my take profit.
Okay. Why does it say negative 997 though?
Because when you set it up, when you put in your stop loss, when you drag it down, for some reason it'll just, yeah, we'll say negative 997.
Interesting. But that would be a positive 997.
Yes.
Obviously. Let's go. Get there for Uncle Nick. Senor.
I'll probably cut it before it hits that, just to not be a pig. But
Yeah.
I mean, if it even gets down there.
Mm-hmm. Trying to get the free account from me funded right now. That would be amazing, man. I really hope you do. Yeah, we did bounce off previous day high there, 67.85. Got a couple unmitigated fair value gaps, bullish ones below. One, the middle of it, 78, 782. Oh, big push there. And 776. And then you got value area high at 67.73. X trade's looking pretty nice right now. Did you just add to that?
I did.
I saw your order go down.
Just looking at the book map, I'm seeing a bunch of orders down at 67.70. And I am willing to hold this for a little while. See if it gets down to midnight.
Yeah. Oh man, if that could only get down to your TP, that'd be so sick. $2,000.
I wouldn't be mad about it.
No. NQ's getting a bit of a bounce here. Sort of running into the 9 EMA. But YM is looking pretty bearish. Yeah, Nick, you look younger today with that hairstyle.
Really?
Yeah,
That's interesting.
I think so.
Oh, it's because you can't see all the gray. All of that white hair. Rejected off the London high a little bit. Oh, no, no, now it's pushing through it. Great.
What a bastard.
Come on, pull down for me. I want to hit a take profit, not a stop loss.
I just took 2 micros short there in that fair value gap.
Fair value gap. Yeah, forgot about those. Let's see here. You do nephew Sam, correct?
Yes.
There we go. I wouldn't be surprised if this price went up to 67, 97.50 and then came back down.
I just figured if I'm going to go down on the boat with you.
Don't do that. If I'm in a bad trade, fade me. One of us should be making some money.
Well, looks like Darren probably is locked in some profit. He was in at previous day high. So we don't have to worry about him now if it ends up turning around. I'm sure he's locking some in here at least. I added 2 more there. Kind of stuck between the 9 and the 21 EMA right now.
And toying with that fair value gap. You know what? It's under VWAP. It's been in a downtrend for the last 30 minutes.
Yep.
This blows through and hits my my stop loss. Well, I had a plan and it failed. And if it goes to my take profit, happy day.
Yeah. NQ is kind of bouncing a little bit. YM is still looking the most heavy out of them all, which is good for the ES kind of pushing down. But the problem is NQ is not cooperating.
NQ needs to get its shit together and start moving down. Do you have a couple of fair value gaps underneath us on the 5-minute? It's 15. Yeah, on the 15 as well. Value area high. Point of control is down here somewhere. And value area low. Looking like it's still pushing down a bit. We got some more orders coming on at 67.80. 251 orders at 67.75. We got buy orders down at 56.25. The hell? Somebody put those on, smoked a joint, and forgot that they would put them on a month ago. Breaks through this opening range low, I may end up adding to this again. Hello, Dave. Are you there?
I am here. Yes. Can you hear me?
I can.
Very nice. I was up $70 there or more. Let's see if we can continue this push lower here.
Lower wicks on NQ. Yeah.
Not liking it now. Why is it bouncing like this?
Don't know.
Profits there. NQ's not letting up, and YM bounced a little bit off value area high, and we're kind of holding previous day high on ES.
I may end up taking 2 losers on the stream today.
Think so? I mean, this might looks like it's going
maybe
down.
It could happen. It's happened before.
Initial balance just set.
We've been at this for an hour already? Jeez.
Seems that way. I've been disconnected, what, 3 times now?
Something like that.
Still just playing at that bearish fair value gap and the
London high.
9 EMA.
Opening range. Woof. Opening range, London high. Bearish fair value gap. Come on now.
Let's go down.
Do something. Do something good.
You closed it for $75 there. Nice job. Yeah, here we go. This is what we wanted right here. Come on, keep going. Break that 21. I got 2 orders down at 67.84.75. Come on, get there.
Got orders down at 67.82. Orders just came out at 67.80.
Can't seem to break that 21 EMA and previous day high.
And the opening range. Just 4 points of movement that is just bouncing between right now.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody's trying to get the price to go up. We got another 308 orders at 67.93. 125 at 67.92.50. If this doesn't do something here within the next 15 minutes, I'm going to cut this out of sheer boredom.
Mm-hmm. Got stopped out in the eval account, closing that one for the day minus 300 on the TOF 50 eval, plus 500 on the TOF ignite, plus 493 on the 50K ignite. Nice job. Have a good day, Kaylin.
See what it does with that. Just erase that fair value gap.
Yeah,
what's
trying
it going to
to.
do with VWAP?
We got
What's it
one
gonna
minute on the candle. do? 32 seconds here. Come on, sellers. Where'd you go?
Down at 67. Is that selling volume?
So they did not invert that.
790.
Yeah.
But we're creating a bullish fair value gap as well, so I may end up cutting this here. This candle doesn't do what I want it to. I'm just going to cut this and call this trade an inexpensive loser.
Yeah, we need to erase that potential fair value gap. It would be nice.
Well, it does seem to be struggling a little bit at VWAP, so
Yeah, the main thing is YM is now cooperating a bit. NQ's
moving
pushing
up or down.
up. Oh, turning into a red candle now. If I get back into the profit, I think I'm just going to put a stop in there. And if I get stopped out a little bit, so be it.
Wow, that so close to my stop. Jacked off this VWAP for me. Thank you.
Couple more points here. There goes that fair value gap.
Orders just came on below us, 87.50, 85, and 82.50.
Johan, you have a good day.
It's gonna keep going up and down here. All right. Stop playing with my emotions. ES. Normally NQ is the one that abuses me.
Yeah. But she's being a little abusive today. There we go. In the money there a bit now. Come on, keep going.
Still down a couple $100 on this trade.
Go, go, go.
Open.
Two off there.
Nice trade, Dave.
4 off there.
That's what I call patience.
So I got 4 contracts left here. I got
4 contracts and a short. Pretty good movement on this trade going down.
tried to take 2 more off there and left my orders. Come on, guys. A little more down.
Yeah, like 30 points. That's all I'm asking. 30 points on ES.
All right, I only have 2 contracts left. And stop is in the money. See if we can't get some more continuation here. Come on, let's go, ES. NQ's finally rolling over. Printing a red candle on NQ. Gonna probably take 1 more off right here. I'm down to 1 contract here.
Take your profits.
Yeah. trailed this down a little bit to the just above what would be the 9 EMA. If we get above that, I'll be out of this trade. And let's let it ride. Look away for a minute.
Go get a beer. It's too damn early for beer. I need scotch.
It's 5 p.m. somewhere.
There we go. Keep going. Push down.
My stop's at 91.75. So much more of a bounce here. We're going to be out.
Your stop's in profit, correct?
Yes. By maybe about $10.
Hey, $10 is better than negative 300.
Yeah.
Buyers trying to take control of this candle. See what they do with the London high and the fair value gap. More orders just came on. Ooh, more orders came on above and below.
I hear some little birdies chirping in the background there.
There's always ridiculously obnoxious birds floating around here. Nothing worse than the macaws. They're pretty. They're really pretty. But holy shit, they are obnoxious. The sounds that they make. And I'm out.
Cut that guy.
Oh, that was a loser. Broke through VWAP, a little bit of strength. All right. Well, I'm done for the day. Lost $400.
Controlled risk for sure. But yeah.
Oh, no, 540.
540. Shoot.
So, small loss for the day.
Yeah. Well, how's everybody in the chat doing here? Looks like we have about 7 people in YouTube and 8 people in X. What's up? 6 people in YouTube.
Hello, everybody. Sorry, Dave's frozen, but that's just how it goes sometimes. When your neighbors are dicks and you can't get your interwebs fixed because of them.
Right. Yeah, I hope all these supporting documents are enough to push this thing forward, because they were talking about, oh well, we might have to run it up the street, which is like, it's a pretty long street, so they would have to dig all the way up and put a new pipe in there, and then they're like, and then also depends if we're willing to do the cost, and then maybe you guys have to take the cost of that. I'm like, fuck that. Like, put it where it's supposed to be in that right of way. So, yeah, annoying.
Well, it is 10:45. I'm not taking any more trades for the day.
You out?
So I think I'm out for the day.
Cool.
Johan's going to work.
I'll share my screen now. Hang out for a little bit.
All right.
Probably won't be necessary. May not be taking any trades either, but I will stick
Fair
around
enough.
to the hour anyway. So,
Well, everybody have a good day. And I will see you tomorrow in the morning. I hope your internet gets fixed.
yeah, I'm gonna get onto the phone to TELUS again this morning, pretty early.
Check out the
Tim. Good
check
morning.
out the Starlink thing too, just in case. You may want to keep one just for a backup.
Yeah, might have to be the option. I don't know how good. Is it pretty decent or?
It's been working out for me relatively well. It's great for taking trades. But as you're aware, I freeze up occasionally when we're streaming. So
Yeah, you've been pretty good today. Seems.
yeah, and it's a little bit cloudy. So all right, Dave. I will see you mañana.
Are you guys still here? Oh my god, this sucks. It seems like I can go for about 20 something minutes and then the network drops. But I made it back here. Hey, there's Nina. Good morning. Or should I say good evening to you? Pretty range bound day today, guys. Sort of stuck between 67.83 and 68.08. We've been pretty bullish, so overall, we might end up continuing with this bullish move. Basically, since we finished London, it's been up, up, and up with a little bit of sideways. Hey, we got 8 people in the channel. Welcome, everybody. If you are just tuning in, we do have a bit of a issue on my end. My internet connection is really bad, so I'm doing my best to keep the stream going. Connected here, but it's not working that good. So uh, did we lose you there, Nina? Are you still around? So pretty tight price action day. Could have made some money on if you're long or short today. So not the cleanest price action. So really, trade management's really important today. I don't know if you guys can even see me if my video feed hasn't even been making it through to the stream here. So let's just see if I can't view my channel. See if I'm actually there. Okay, at least I got a frozen picture on. Anyways, it's better than nothing. Yeah, my video keeps cycling. It's not a good thing. Well, sorry about this, guys. Unfortunately, the stream isn't working very good today. I'm going to continue pushing to try to get the internet back working good. So I'm just going to end the stream here. Don't really want to take any more trades just in case I end up getting locked out again. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks so much. Good to see y'all. Nina, Tim, Johan, Kaylin, Darren, Nick, obviously, Economic Pulse, and I think that was it. So thanks so much, everybody. Good to see you. Thanks. We'll see you again. I'll try to get live tonight again. Hopefully, we'll see if this works out, but it might end up being another disaster. So most important, I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to get this internet issue fixed. So again, all right, thanks guys, bye.